In 2024, the landscape of mobility scooters has evolved significantly, offering unparalleled freedom and independence to individuals with mobility challenges. Best mobility scooters of 2024 represent a culmination of technological advancement, ergonomic design, and user-centric features. This cutting-edge scooters seamlessly blend style with functionality, catering to diverse needs and preferences. Engineered with precision, the latest models prioritize safety, comfort, and versatility. The market offers many choices, from compact foldable designs ideal for urban maneuverability to robust off-road options capable of tackling various terrains. Enhanced battery life and efficient motors ensure extended usage without compromising performance. Moreover, accessibility features such as adjustable seating, intuitive controls, and advanced suspension systems contribute to a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Whether for daily errands, outdoor adventures, or strolls, the best mobility scooters of 2024 redefine mobility, empowering users to navigate the world confidently and easily. Pride Mobility Go-Go Elite Traveler 2. The Pride Mobility Go-Go Elite Traveler 2 four-wheel scooter redefines mobility with its exceptional features and unparalleled maneuverability, all at an accessible price point of $1,349. Boasting the smallest turning radius among all four-wheel scooters at just 37 inches, it combines stability with agility through Pride's patented iTurn technology. Effortlessly navigate diverse environments from your home to the store and beyond confidently. The scooter's 300-pound weight capacity, top speed of up to 4.23 miles per hour, and impressive range of up to 13.8 miles per battery charge ensure you can get where you need to go efficiently. Moreover, personalization is key with removable color-through shrouds available in cardinal red and black, allowing you to switch up your scooter's look anytime. Additional shroud panels in 6 more colors can be purchased separately for further customization. Featuring feather-touch disassembly, the scooter conveniently separates into 5 lightweight pieces for easy storage and transport. The angle-adjustable Delta Tilla with a built-in charging port adds convenience, while non-scuffing, flat-free tires ensure a smooth ride. With its industry-leading features and design, the Pride Mobility Go-Go Elite Traveler 2 four-wheel scooter offers mobility and a true pleasure cruise on every journey. Freego SM12 Pro. The Freego SM12 Pro is a game-changer in mobility scooters, offering unparalleled convenience, performance, and style at $1,135. Designed to enhance mobility and independence, this scooter has features to cater to a wide range of needs. Equipped with a powerful 36-volt, 7.5 amp-hour battery and a 36-volt, 500-watt DC hub brushless motor, the Freego SM12 Pro ensures smooth and efficient operation. With a quick charge time of 3 to 4 hours, you can spend less time waiting and more time on the go. Experience the thrill of speed with a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour and enjoy an impressive riding range of 20 to 30 kilometers on a single charge. The scooter's sturdy construction can accommodate a maximum load of 120 kilograms, making it suitable for riders weighing 90 kilograms and above. Safety is paramount, and the Freego SM12 Pro is equipped with electric hub brakes for reliable stopping power. The 3 speed modes allow you to customize your riding experience to suit your preferences and environment. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, the frame and stem ensure durability without compromising portability. Its foldable design makes storage and transportation a breeze, perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. With its blend of performance, convenience, and style, the Freego SM12 Pro sets a new standard in mobility scooters, empowering users to explore their world freely and confidently. SuperHandy 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The SuperHandy 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter, a revolutionary solution for enhanced mobility and convenience, is priced at just $799. Designed with practicality and comfort, this scooter offers a range of features that make it stand out in the market. Powered by a robust 48-volt brushless motor with forward and reverse capabilities, the SuperHandy scooter ensures smooth and efficient operation. With a total range of up to 6.5 miles or 1 hour and 45 minutes per full battery charge and a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds, It's suitable for a wide range of users. What sets this scooter apart is its portability. The lightweight aluminum frame weighs only 26 pounds when broken down into 5 easy-to-transport pieces, making it effortless to fit into the trunk of an average-sized sedan. The detachable 48 volts battery can be swapped out for a backup in seconds, providing added convenience and peace of mind. Safety is paramount, with features such as a manual fast-acting drum brake system for quick braking in emergencies and a variable speed thumb drive accelerator for smooth control. The wide 16.9-inch fully padded faux leather seat and backrest ensure a comfortable ride, while adjustable height settings cater to users of all heights. While this scooter is not intended for medical use, it offers a reliable and stylish solution for individuals seeking increased mobility. With safety reminders and precautions, the SuperHandy 3-wheel mobility scooter prioritizes user safety while providing unparalleled convenience and comfort. Vive 4-wheel. The Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter is a reliable and versatile solution for individuals seeking enhanced mobility and independence. Priced at an accessible $799. Designed with user comfort and safety in mind, this scooter offers a range of features to ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride. Safety is paramount, and the Vive mobility scooter is engineered to navigate smooth indoor surfaces and rough outdoor terrain easily. Its maximum weight capacity is 265 pounds, and its flat-free, non-marking tires provide stability and durability. Its easy grip tires measure 8 inches, offering traction and control. It ensures efficient and reliable performance with a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour and a driving distance of up to 12.4 miles per charge. Comfort is key, and the Vive scooter boasts a wide 15.75-inch padded seat and backrest for gentle cushioning and support. The swivel seat rotates for easy access, while the height-adjustable feature allows for a customized fit. Padded armrests that adjust and flip upward add convenience when boarding or exiting. For added convenience, the scooter can be quickly disassembled into 4 pieces for easy transport. The intuitive control panel on the Tilla console allows for easy adjustments to speed, direction, and headlight settings, and a color-coded battery life indicator is provided for quick reference. As a customer-driven brand, Vive prioritizes safety, comfort, and satisfaction. Backed by a 5-year guarantee, the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter ensures peace of mind and exceptional support, making it a trusted choice for individuals seeking enhanced mobility and freedom. Metro Mobility Max Plus. The Metro Mobility Max Plus is a premium mobility scooter engineered to provide unparalleled comfort, safety, and convenience, priced at $1,299. Designed to support up to 300 pounds, this scooter is equipped with 2 sealed 20-amp-hour lead-acid batteries, offering a maximum speed of 4.97 miles per hour and a driving distance of up to 10 miles per charge. With a turning radius of 46 inches and a climbing grade of 6 to 9 degrees, it ensures smooth maneuverability and performance. Comfort is paramount, with 4 big pneumatic tires and spring suspension providing a smooth ride over various terrains. The thick padded leather seat offers superior cushioning and support, with adjustable settings for added comfort and convenience. The intuitive control panel displays accurate speed and mileage information, while features such as electromagnetic brakes, hand brakes, rear view mirrors, and lights ensure safety and visibility during day or night driving. For added convenience, the Metro Mobility Max Plus can be quickly disassembled into 4 separate sections for easy portability, fitting effortlessly into the trunk of a standard-size vehicle. Backed by a 1-year guarantee and professional after-sales service, you can confidently purchase, knowing any issues will be promptly addressed. Experience the ultimate mobility with the Metro Mobility Max Plus, where comfort, safety, and convenience converge to enhance your mobility experience. iLiving V8. The iLiving V8 is an innovative mobility scooter that combines lightweight design, extended battery life, and electronic stability control for a superior riding experience. It is available at $1,412. Crafted from durable aircraft-grade aluminum, the V8 weighs just 40 pounds, including its rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, making it one of the lightest options on the market. Designed for easy portability, The V8 features a quick and easy two-step fold and unfold system, allowing for convenient travel. Despite its compact size, the scooter boasts an impressive range of up to 15 miles on a single charge, thanks to its heavy-duty lithium-ion batteries, ensuring it keeps up with your active lifestyle. Perfect for travelers, the V8 is airplane-friendly, with its lightweight folding frame and UN38.3 certified batteries meeting airline safety standards. Additionally, the scooter prioritizes safety with electronic stability control, automatically reducing speed during turns to prevent tip-overs and potential injuries, providing peace of mind for riders of all levels. With its blend of lightweight construction, extended battery life, and advanced safety features, the iLiving V8 sets a new standard for mobility scooters, offering unparalleled convenience and reliability for users on the go.